Hey, Revise the Technical Wizard here, and today we're going to be doing a project that I've been wanting to do. I mentioned this back in the video where I rebuilt the iMac G3 speakers, or tried to anyways. That didn't end well, but today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing some direct replacement speakers that I ordered that fit the original Harman Kardon assemblies. These right here, these are the ones that came out of the Flower Power. It's currently running some that I bought off of eBay. But right now, they just have the little silicone thing that I did to it. These are, as I said, direct replacements. You just put them in there and they work. But right now, here's what it sounds like with the silicone on it. And this one has no sound at all for some reason, and that one doesn't really have any thumping to it, if y'all know what I'm saying. I don't know the terms of sound. Correct me. But we're going to go ahead and power it off, and we'll go ahead and pull the speakers out and take a look. Okay guys, so here we have the speakers that I was running in it. Not the original casing, but I'm going to put the original casing back in there because I'm a purist. And this is probably going to sound like what it sounds like when you're cracking open an egg. Oh Lord. Just use these nail clippers, see if this will assist in opening it. Yes, there we go. There we go. Pull this out. Oh Lord. They're like all stuck to it. But yeah, that's a stock speaker. It's out of the way. As y'all can see, this one I put a little too much silicone on. So just go ahead and pull these wires off. Maybe it won't end up like last time where it broke the stupid thing. Alright, so just as I predicted, the little prongs that were right there where the wires were, they're gonna break off either way you look at it. So if you want to preserve these wires, keep some of these handy boys on you to pull out the prongs that broken off. And now that we've done that, move this toolbox over there. Go ahead and open one of the new housings, or quote unquote new, from the Flower Power iMac. Lord mercy. These probably, I still have the original silicone on them. So these are right there. And what I'm going to try and do is preserve this magnet right here, because these new speakers are shorter than the older ones, as you can see. But more than likely I'm going to end up breaking something. But these speakers are trashed anyway, so it's not like I can make them any worse than they already were. Good. Put me a flathead bit on it. Yeah. It does not look like that it is going to come. Actually, got it. So it just takes the right angle to get them off. Man, these magnets are probably just there for looks. So go ahead and pull one of these new boys out of the... Oh yeah, these look about like the original, but better. Go ahead and stick it in there. Yeah. So let's go ahead and try and put the speaker in there, if that is even feasible. Already got it dirty, goodness gracious. It's probably just from the stuff that was in there before. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look too different. So let's go ahead and get the wires back in it, shall we? So these ends are going to be marked with a marker. As you can see right there, that was the positive end. Just in case some of y'all don't pay attention, not to be mean or anything, but we always have people like that. This is probably off camera, just can't see it as well up close. Alright, I'm getting that sticky crap all over me, but it's whatever. So there we go. New speaker in. Just trying to not get this dirty because I want to make it look good, like it's never been modified. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together real quick. Alright y'all, check it. New speaker in. It looks literally like it's never been changed before. And the wires just chilling over here, chilling like a villain. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one. We're gonna stuff them back into the iMac and we'll see how they sound. Okay guys, so after 20 minutes of messing with disintegrated foam and magnets and parts, we finally got the Flower Power iMac all back together. So as you can see, these are original speakers on the Dalmatian iMac. And these are the new ones in the Flower Power iMac. Now, they don't actually look too different, except for the fact these are new. But these were some Chinese ones I found on eBay that were a direct replacement. But they weren't too bad. I'll leave a link in the description for anybody that wants to buy them. So let's go ahead and see if they work. So it didn't sound exactly like the original ones. Oh Lord, that looks amazing. That's one problem this computer has, is that sometimes the screen changes colors. I think something's loose in it. Alright, so now that we've heard the new speakers, let's try the original ones. Yeah, these don't sound anywhere near like these, but they work, so go ahead and do a couple of more tests just to see what they're like. Alright, so I got both of the iMacs booted into their operating systems. I got the Hayakawa Beach House theme pulled up on both of them, and first we're going to listen to it on the original speakers. We're going to listen to about 10 seconds. So that was about halfway volume and 3/4 volume on iTunes. So we're going to go ahead and do the same on the Flower Power iMac. Go ahead and halfway volume. Let's try it. So right away I can tell that these sound more echoey. Like you can definitely hear echoes with these speakers, and the original housings of the speakers still have the silicone around them, while these you don't have as much echo as you do on the new ones. I'm gonna go ahead and close out iTunes and we'll go ahead and play the startup sound on both of them so you can tell the difference. Alright, both iMacs are powered down. Let's go ahead and start up the Blue Dalmatian with the original speakers. That's Blue Dalmatian. Now let's do the Flower Power. Yeah, that's not as good sounding. But my final thoughts on these replacement speakers, I mean, they're not bad, but they sound really echoey, and I don't like that. And they're loud and clear, but they're just very echoey. And to the guy that manufactures these, that is watching this, if you could fix that, that would be amazing. And as far as I know, these are the only replacements out there. But I was hoping I could find some USA-made replacements, but that was just not possible on eBay because everything I saw was in China. But anyways, guys, that concludes today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Maybe this helped. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll be seeing you guys later. This is the Technical Wizard, signing off.